Millions of North Americans are searching for an opportunity to change their lives. Some are looking for time and money. Some are looking to make a difference. Some are looking for freedom. Thousands of people just like you have found it with Prepaid Legal. In this presentation, you'll learn about a real opportunity that could very well change your life. Prepaid Legal is a New York Stock Exchange company with over 30 years of experience. The company currently provides legal services to well over 1 million families across North America through prepaid legal plans. For $26 a month or less, an individual or family has access to top-quality law firms. What does this mean for you? If you tell people about prepaid legal services and they buy a legal plan from you, you get paid. That's the basic idea behind this opportunity. Did you know that the wealthiest 10% can afford to have a lawyer on retainer? They're accustomed to consulting with their lawyers before making decisions. On the other hand, the bottom 10% have access to legal services through public aid. But what about the rest of us? Is there a market for prepaid legal plans? Absolutely. Ask 10 people if they've ever heard of prepaid legal. Odds are most haven't. In Europe, legal service plans are commonplace. In North America, even though we serve well over 1 million families, we've not even reached a 2% market penetration. And we're the leading provider of legal service plans in North America. The market is primed for rapid growth, and today, you can take advantage of this opportunity before the market becomes saturated. Now, you may be thinking, this sounds like an interesting concept and a good opportunity, but what is it going to cost me? You pay $249 to start your own business. For your investment, you'll receive top-notch training in your area, home office, and field support, and all the materials you need to get started selling prepaid legal plans right away. There are essentially 3 ways to make money with this opportunity. You can choose one or any combination of these options for your business. The first way to make money is through direct sales. Although you have the option of introducing the opportunity to others, it's possible to earn a significant income exclusively through your personal efforts. The income potential for direct sales is limited only by how many memberships you personally sell. The second way you can make money involves the concept of leveraging your efforts. By building a team to work with you, not only will you be compensated for your own sales, you'll receive commissions on the sales of your team members below you in the compensation structure. Finally, you'll receive residual compensation for your personal and team membership sales for as long as they stay in effect. For most people, the idea of calling a lawyer before signing a contract or making an important decision just isn't an option, either because they think they don't need one or because it simply would cost too much. Prepaid Legal is changing the way legal services are delivered in North America, and you can be part of it. You can make a living while making a difference. And using the membership is simple. When a potential legal issue arises, simply call your provider law firm toll-free and explain the situation. A lawyer knowledgeable in that area of law will return your call. It's that easy. Each membership you sell is backed by a 100% commitment to service. With the combined buying power of well over 1 million families across North America, individual members of Prepaid Legal Services Incorporated are treated with the same respect and careful attention as one of the firm's largest clients. From major legal issues to simple questions about everyday occurrences we all face, you and your members will be able to say, I'm going to talk to my lawyer about this, and mean it. Prepaid Legal Services Inc. has opened the door to equal justice, and for you, an opportunity. Isn't it time you stepped through